Hi all, I'm Tyler Bravo and I'm the IT manager over here at GoProfiles, and today I'm going to be talking about our GoAI Chat feature. So whenever you ask a question to our GoAI Chat, it's going to pull from two things. It's going to pull from your HRIS system, which is good for anniversaries as well as org charts. So maybe you want to find out when somebody started at the company, or maybe you wanted to also find out maybe who your direct manager is. It's really good for that. And then also it's going to pull from your profile within inside of GoProfiles. So maybe you have a hobby or a specific skill set that you want to have listed on your profile. People can then search for that and ask that within inside of GoProfiles. So I wanted to give a couple of examples of this today. So I'm going to go up here to the search bar and I'm going to say, who can I talk to about benefits? And it's going to return that I need to talk to our head of people operations, Lynn, or our HR generalist, Sam. Maybe I wanted to find out, who is based in Tennessee. It's going to list the employees that can be found within inside of Tennessee. Maybe I wanted to ask a follow-up and say, does anyone in the company know Figma? And it's going to list several people that know Figma within inside of our organization. So you can see here it's a lot of designers, since Figma is a design tool. So this is helpful if maybe you wanted to find a specific person inside of your organization that has skill with a specific software. This is great for that. Additionally, maybe you wanted to find out, who's my direct manager? Who is my direct manager? It's going to list here that my direct manager is George Zamora. So it makes it really easy to find all of the information that you would otherwise have to send a Slack message or send an email to find out, who is who within inside of your organization and what are some of the skills that they have. Makes it really easy to find that in a distributed environment.